Welcome back. I'm E.Reap and I appreciate you for tuning in. So today's unboxing is a restock. Well, I guess it's the restock of the restock, if that makes sense. Because when these restocked initially, I feel like that weekend it was crazy for me. It was like a lot of shoes that I was going for, that I put ahead of this. So I wasn't checking for them. But I did say if they happen to restock or they're sitting anywhere, in the near future, I'm definitely going to try to cop. And luckily for me, it seems that I always get lucky on those random restocks. So I don't even remember what day it was, but BBC Ice Cream, shout out to Pharrell, the home team. They restocked these 700s, man. So I had to go ahead and cop. Because I never owned this pair. When they initially released, the hype was so crazy. Which, I don't understand the hype. Like that hype. Because like the price was stupid. If I can find like the screenshot of like StockX or GOAT. When they initially dropped and how much they were reselling for. I want to say it was like $600 or $700. I don't understand the hype as far as that. So let me see the shoe first before, I make my final decision. So yeah, we got the 700 V2 and that static colorway. Boom, boom, boom. Honestly, yeah, definitely a clean shoe. As far as like wearability and being like a neutral colorway. I can understand the appeal as far as like I said, you can wear it with whatever. A lot of factory flaws on these, but I'm gonna wear them, so it is what it is. But as far as the initial hype that it received, I do not. I don't know. I don't agree. But the insole, you got Yeezy, Ortholite with the Adidas logo. This shoe looks very small for a size 12. Hopefully, I got the right size. Because I don't want to, flip them, but if I have to, or I can see if I can, like, trade up or something. I don't know. I'll see. But, yeah, you got your outsole, black outsole. Of course, you got the Adidas Boost poking out. The same outsole as the 700. Of course, the only difference is the upper. But, yeah, I mean, I like the materials. The, like, gray suede, and then you have, like, gray mesh going up, as you can... Focus for me, please. And then you have your cream leather, which is a nice touch. I didn't know it was really that cream. So you got the cream outsole, midsole, well, cream midsole and cream like leather hits on the upper. On top of that gray mesh and suede. So I mean, clean shoe, like I said, very wearable. I can understand the appeal, and I know they're comfortable because the Boost and 700s like. There's a no-brainer as far as comfort, but that price tag, I don't know if I can agree with that one, but hey, Yeezy took the world by storm once he switched to Adidas, and like a lot of Yeezys was going crazy. If y'all remember, man, the Zebras were going for like over $1,000, and then they restocked. Did they restock once or twice already? And there's another restock April 9th. I'll do a video on that a little down the line, but yeah. The Yeezy hype was definitely real, and I think it's coming back because a lot of the OG colorways, the highly coveted colorways, are making a comeback. The Wave Runners are dropping again, and everybody needs those. The Oreo just dropped. They were part of that the Black Friday pack, and it came with the militia green or military green, and then the red stripe 350s, and those are also coming back. So I'm not mad at Kanye and Adidas, man. Please drop all the OG colorways so I can complete my set and I'll be done. I need a pair of 750s though. Please drop a pair. It doesn't even have to be the OG 750s. It can be a brand new colorway. I just need a pair of 750s. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I'm definitely I need to try these on just to make sure I can fit them. If not, I'm going to have to find a plan B. Hopefully, while I'm out of town this weekend, one of these consignment shops will look out for you, boy. But yeah. That'll do it, man. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. On to the next one.